In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Cochrane branded slide deck on PowerPoint. To find these slide decks, basically go to community.cochrane.org/brand. Here on the website, go to Community Templates, and below that you will see that there are a whole bunch of different templates created in different colors. Choose the correct color that corresponds to your group. Now in this video, I will just choose the first one. Once you've chosen the correct color, you will have to open a zipped file. Once that's been done, it will take you to a folder that has different subfolders. Locate the folder that says PowerPoint Templates or PPT Templates. Click on that, and here you will notice that there are three options for you to choose from. A template with one logo, two logos, and three logos. For example, presentation with one logo only has one. Presentation of two logos will allow you to upload two different logos. And of course, presentation with three gives you the option of loading three logos on each of your slides. Now, after you've chosen the slide deck that you want, click on it and open it. For this presentation, I will work with the three logo one so that I can show you how it looks or how it works when I try to upload more than one logo. For example, I've clicked this, and now here you will see that in the first, let's close this, first 6 slides, you will notice that there are different templates or different versions of the title page. This is just to give you the option of choosing one that you prefer. For example, here you'll notice in the first one that there's a gray bar on the right-hand side and the title is in the middle on 2 lines. In the second one, there is no gray bar, but the title is also in the middle. You keep scrolling down to the last one. Here you'll notice that the title has actually moved down a little, but you're also able to insert an image in the background. Same with this one. You're able to insert an image on the right side, and the title is more centered. Now, for the purpose of this presentation, I will choose the first template. Once you've decided which title page to go with, you don't want to keep the rest of the title pages. Simply delete them. To do that, you click on the slide, right-click, and click Delete Slide. And you do that for the rest of the title pages. Now, make sure you don't delete these slides because they now are PowerPoint slides. Now, as you can see, I want to be able to upload my own logo here. To upload my own logo, simply click on Themes, click Edit Master, click Slide Master. Here you see that I'm able to click on these boxes and upload it and edit it. Now, I want to choose my own logo. To do that, go to Home, click Picture, and click Picture from a file that's on my own computer. For example, I'll choose this one. Now, as you can see, the logo is pretty big, so what I want to do is format it and resize it so that it matches the size of this template. To do that, I click on the logo once, I click Format, and I click Picture. You want to go select Size on the left-hand side and make sure that only the lock aspect ratio box is ticked. Now, I want to change the width of my logo to 3.5 centimeters. Now, sometimes it takes multiple tries, but let's see if this one works. Okay, so this is not quite how I want it, but that's okay. What you want to do, try it again. I want to click a picture, upload the file from my computer, and here you will see that the logo shows up again. I want to click Format, click Picture, and click Size. and only the lock aspect ratio box is clicked. Here, I want to make sure that my width is only 3.5 centimeters. And the height now is only 1.2 centimeters. Click OK. There you go. This one worked. Now you have this. So what you can do is delete the logo from the template and move your logo in. Remember to keep it so that each of your logos, there's a white space in between each logo. Now let's try that again. For example, I want to add another logo in. Same thing. Go to Picture, click Picture from File, and let's see. Maybe this time I want to click a different logo. I'll click the NHS logo. To do that, same thing. I click Format and click Picture. Make sure that the lock aspect ratio box is ticked, and I want to make sure that my width is only 3.5 centimeters. There you go. Drag that and align it into the box. Here you'll see that once you've done that, oops. There, your second logo is up. So now that you've uploaded the second logo, you do the same for the third. Now, once you've edited the master view file, all the rest of your template slide decks should also be updated. To view that, close your master view, and here you will see that each of your slides should be updated. Now, if there is an instance, for example in this one, where the slide wasn't updated, what you need to do is go in manually and update it. Sometimes the files don't update automatically and it needs to be inserted manually. So to do that, it's very simple. Basically, what you want to do is copy each of the logo and insert it into the slides that haven't updated. To do that, click again Themes to edit master slide. Here you want to copy it, right click and click Copy. Now, go to the slides that don't have it updated. Here I can see that this one isn't updated. So what I want to do is paste it in. There you go. And another one, and paste it in. It's fairly simple. This one, I want to paste in my updated. And this one, as you can see, it is already updated. Now, because I had two logos, so I want to update it with both. What I want to do is go to my master deck again, right click and click Copy. And on my left hand side, these are my title page templates, so we don't want to update those. Now let's see, this one. This one has been updated. Oh, so as I can see, this one isn't. So all I simply do is paste it in. There you go. And you do that for the rest of the slides that have not been updated. And as you can see here, this one has been. Once you've done that, you just close it. Now go back and double check to make sure that all the slides are updated with the logos. There you go. And here you have your title page, which hasn't been updated. So I want to go back. Each time you want to go back and get your logo or copy a logo, you need to go into master edit mode to do that. So I want to copy this and make sure that the template that I chose, which was the first template, is also updated. There we go. Want to make sure that, oops, want to make sure that this one's also copied and updated into my template. There we go. Now, my title page is updated, and so are the rest of my slides. Now, the next step is for you to choose which slides you want to keep in your presentation. You don't need to keep all the slides, but perhaps choose the ones you see is most fitting. Now, to edit the text box is very simple. Click on the text box so that the blue box shows up and type in your title here. The max should be 2 lines. And click in your title here. And so on. Same thing. Wanna type in your title here. And you're also able to, of course, delete this and put in your own text. Now, to edit, basically click on it here, and you're able to enter your own text here. Do that with each one. Very simple. Now, for example, say I don't want to use this slide because I've got this slide. Very simple, just delete it. And again, to delete a slide, you just right-click it and click Delete Slide. Now, the gray boxes here, as you can see, it says Insert Image here. What you can do is same thing as inserting your logo. You click Picture, click a picture from your file, and here, you want to insert it here. Now, I don't want, the picture to be that big, so maybe I'll make it smaller. Just drag it to make it a bit smaller. Now, this is a slide where it's all image. What you want to do is try to keep and use these templates because they do meet the Cochrane brand guidelines. But you are free to upload your own images. Now, in order to change or edit a graph, it's very simple. Click on the graph, right-click it, and click Edit Data. Here, an Excel spreadsheet will open for you. Using the template provided already, all you need to do is insert the numbers of your own data, and it should change the graph automatically for you. Here you will see, let's see. Just to show you that the graph will look different and updated. Once you've updated the numbers of your graph and you're okay with it, simply all you do is exit this Excel spreadsheet. And here, as you will see, because I changed everything to 50, the graph has changed. Now let's see, I'll show you again. To change this again, enter in your own data. An Excel spreadsheet will open again. This time, let's choose 20. Now I'm happy with this, so all I do is close the Excel spreadsheet, and here you go. 2 lines now show up, the gray and the blue line. Same thing for bar graphs as well, and for pie graphs. Simply right-click it, click Edit Data, and enter in the values that you want. Once you're happy with it, close the Excel spreadsheet, and here you go. As you'll notice, the pie graph has changed according to your values. Now, that's fairly simple. Edit this text here. Type in your text. Make sure to keep the color of the text the same and the layout are the same. As I mentioned previously, it does meet Cochrane branding guidelines. So that is how you choose your PowerPoint slide, choose a title page, and how to edit the content, the text, and the graphs in the template.